Welcome to day 2 of our 12 days of Tai Chi. We're going to start in our bow stance today, so keeping it nice and small and over to the corner so that you can see. Nice posture. Do remember, keep this core engaged, everything relaxed. I'm going to transfer the weight forwards onto the front foot and do a half a step in, so tapping my foot behind me. I then want to transfer the weight and sink it all the way into the floor and into that back foot. I'm going to tap this front foot into empty stance. Let's do that again. So a slow transfer of weight. Tapping here, sinking down and tap into our empty stance. One more time. Let's repeat on the other side. So into your bow stance, transfer the weight, tapping here into our half a step in, then sink the weight as we transfer it into that back foot and tap into our empty stance. Let's repeat that. One more time. I'm going to add some arms. White crane spreads its wings. I think it's one of my favourites. I'm bringing my hands up. So nice bird's wing, other hand palm to elbow. I turn the waist and then I'm turning the waist back to face forwards. Hand comes down to the table and the other hand has followed the body, so it's now pointing towards the corner here. I'm doing 2 circles. Get your waist involved. Circle, circle across the body, and we're bringing it up to a slightly lower version, shoulder height, palm facing up, and again palm to elbow. Let's repeat that on this first side. White crane spreads its wings. Think song of the joints, nice opening of the chest. Circle and circle. Off we go. And again. Let's practice on the other side. One more time. You're going to add that together with the feet. Hold the ball as we tap in. Same arm as leg. I'm standing on my left leg, left arm on top of the ball. Then bottom hand comes high. As we transfer the weight, and then we're tapping into our empty stance here. Circle, circle, tapping in. Let's repeat. Make it flow. Let's try on the other side. Nice bow stance, posture, off we go. Hold the ball, tap it in. Transfer the weight as the hand comes high. Really stretching out the body, opening the chest. Circle, circle, tapping in. Let's try it again. Final time. Gonna add our brush knee as well today. So from here, we're bringing our hand to ear and at the same time dropping the other hand in front of the dantian here, and then we brush the knee and we push through, again turning the waist to bring and power that push through. Let's try that again. Ear, abdomen, brush the knee, push through. Try and get it flowing. Let's try it on the other side. Ear, abdomen, brush the knee, push through. Let's add arms and feet together. So ear, abdomen, heel. We brush the knee as we push forwards with our weight and push through into our bow stance. Let's try the other side. So I'm doing it to the corner. So hopefully you can see the movement. Let's put white crane, spreads its wing and brush knee together. So starting in our bow stance, we've got half a step in, hold the ball. Transfer the weight, right crane. Tapping into empty stance here, circle, circle. Brush knee. Yeah, I like this movement. Let's do that again. Half a step in. White crane. Second side. Bow stance to start. Half a step in, hold the ball. White crane. Brush knee. Let's reset and do that again. I hope you've enjoyed the session today. Do come along and join the day 3 where we'll do the next couple of Yang 24 steps for you to follow along. See you there.